I am Mr. V.R. Iyer from Atlas Advertising Mumbai, Malad West, and we are manufacturing transfer stickers. Now we have developed a new transfer printing system known as candle printing transfer, which I am going to give a demo. This is a candle transfer sheet which is known as a rub-on transfer sheet, IWish rub-on transfer sheet. Now these sheets we are printing and supplying to the companies for easy to use transfer printing for production purposes. Now this is a digital transfer where you have to take the design, assemble it, and we can laser print it. We are preparing this and supplying to the companies. Now this is that sheet. The size of the sheet is 13 inch by 19 inches. Now in this, whatever designs fits in is the number of stickers you get. Now this is the front side and this is the back side. We are giving a marking for top area of print so that the print is not printed upside down on candles. See, this is the one. Now I am just giving you a demo of how this is to be transferred. I will take this one, the rose one. See, this is, I am just cutting it. See, now I have cut this. The next thing is, there is a release protective film which has to be removed from this. See this. Now we are removing it. You can throw this off. Now you have to see on the back side. This is top side. Now I am taking this and just applying it here on the candle. Wherever the application is required for the candle, you have to just keep it. You have to press it this way. You have to apply it. You have to press it this way so that air bubble doesn't get formed. Slowly you have to just transfer it. You can transfer this through an automatic machine process also, vacuum process, but that is for huge production. For small time application and for sampling purpose, these things can be done. Once this is applied, press properly on the side of the print area. This is the printing area which has been marked. So just press it properly on the corners of the print area so that the release of the ink film is easy. Now just see. Now once this is applied, slowly check up whether everything is okay. Once the print is ready, see, now print is ready. See, print is ready. Now slowly just press it, again press it and remove it. See, this press properly. Whole printing is ready. I will give a second demo where again you can see how this is being applied. See, these are the design. One design, Jesus Christ design, will take. And cutting it. This is the printing area marked on the back. This has to be profile cut by a plotter cutting machine. This has to be cut. For good quality results, you need to cut. For huge production, we'll punch it and give it. But for small quantity, you can cut it through a plotter. I am removing it now. Again applying, see this application. This has to be pressed properly because this is candle. The surface is very smooth, very oily, so it takes a little bit time for addition of the print to the transfer. But once it has adhered, then it's permanent. You cannot remove it. See, I'm removing it again. I'll have to see whether everything is okay. Yes, it's okay. For good finishing, you will have to plotter cut this, then only you will get good result.